Hey everyone, in this video you will learn how you can get the summary of daily work reports of your employees on your WhatsApp automatically. So guys, here you can see we have connected Pabbly Connect's feature which is called email parser as the trigger application and WhatsApp as the action application inside the automation workflow. And this email parser by Pabbly Connect is going to watch over your emails in the inbox, and at every day at the end of the day this email parser is going to fetch out the reports that you are getting from your employees, and it will be filtered out and the summary of the reports will be sent to you on WhatsApp automatically. So guys, if you are an HR or boss or manager, this automation can be very helpful for you to track the work of your employees. And guys, to set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and you can set up this automation very easily without any coding. So let's start. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account. So we have pasted the same link in the description as well. So you can just sign up right now and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay. So, and after signing up, you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up an automation workflow. And here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So I am giving the name as employee reports. Okay. You can give any other name as well. And after that you can click on create and your workflow page will get ready like this. And on this page you will find the trigger module and the action module. So with the help of these two things we can set up any automation. So guys, here you can read this trigger is saying when this happens. That means when a trigger event occurs, the action will make perform Pabbly Connect any action according to the trigger. So here it is saying do this. All right. So guys, for this purpose, to send the work report summary on WhatsApp, I have already created this automation, this workflow for you. You can see here. So guys, in the trigger, we have connected email parser feature of Pabbly Connect. Okay. So with that, when you select email parser here, you just have to search for it, email parser. You can see it here and you can select it like this. And it will give you this kind of email parser's address. Okay. So you can use this email parser address and you have to add this address as the forwarding address inside the inbox in which you are receiving the report emails. Okay. So for that, what you can do, you just have to reach your inbox. From here, click on settings, and from here, click on see all settings option. Under see all settings page, you have this forwarding and pop IMAP option. Click on it. And here you can see it is showing forward a copy of incoming emails to. And here you have to paste this address that you got here, this email parser address. So guys, I have already pasted this address here. You can see. Okay. After that, it will ask for a verification. So you will receive a test email. Let me show you a demo actually. So here, let me remove this old address. Okay. And here you can see this is how you will find a button. Click on add a forwarding address, and from here copy this email parser and paste it here like this. Then click on next, and here you can see it is saying proceed. So when you click on proceed, a test email will be delivered to your workflow. Okay, from here click on proceed and you can see a confirmation code has been sent to this address. Okay, let us check in the workflow, and here guys you can see we got the response captured like this in this section, and in this response you will find the test email like this in the body text label. Okay, and these are all the labels that you are going to receive. In the to display label, it is going to show you your email address in which you are receiving the your name in which you are receiving the emails, the address, and from display label here it is going to show you the email address from whom you have received the email. Okay, I'll show you that in the next in the already created workflow. Right now you can see the body text label. Here we have received this test email, and in this test email we got this confirmation code. So you just have to copy this code from here and you have to paste this code here. Click on OK in this confirmation code field like this. Okay, then click on verify. All right, and you can see a forwarding address is attached here in your email inbox. Now check this button, forwarding a copy. Okay, then scroll down and click on save changes. Okay, and you can see we have added the forwarder, right? That's how you can add the forwarder. Now guys, whenever you are going to receive an email from any of your employees, the email will be captured here like this in this response section, and those emails are going to look like this. Let me show you here in the already created workflow. Here you can see we have already received an email from my employee, and here it is showing the name. This is my inbox name. Okay, this is my inbox address, and this is my employees data, employees name, employees address. Okay, that's how. And here you can see we have received the subject line as this employee report and the date. Okay, so I have sent this email. I can show you that email as well that I have received from my employee. Here you can see this is the email I have received from my employee. Okay, this is to inform you that today I was assigned with 3 tasks, which are as follows: number of tasks completed, pending 0, advanced 0. So this is a format of report we are using for receiving the reports from my employees. So in every company, they have a pre-decided format in which they receive the emails from the employees. So you should have a format created first by which you are receiving the emails or the reports from the employees. Okay, then only you can set up this automation, because we are going to use this format in our workflow. Let me show you how. Here you can see guys, in the subject we have received the subject line employee report, and this was the subject employee report. Okay, and here when you scroll down in the same body text label, you will see the whole email. So this is the whole email we have received. Okay, you can see. And now guys, from this email I want to fetch out some details like the employee's name, the task he has assigned, the task the employee has completed, and the pending tasks and the advanced tasks. These are the details I want to fetch out from these emails, and then according to that detail I'll create a small summary message, and then I'll send a message to the HR or the boss. Okay, so to fetch the emails, we are going to move forward here in the automation in the workflow. And here you can see I have used filter feature here. So why we have applied the filter? Guys, you have received numerous emails from various sources. Okay, but you do not want to send notification or alert messages for every email you are getting. You only want that whenever I receive a report from the employee, then only a message should be delivered to me with the report summary. Okay, if you're an HR, right? So that's why I have applied this condition here with the help of filter feature. So with the help of filter, when you select filter here, let me show you from the scratch from this workflow. Here we have used the action step, and in the action step we have this filter option. You can select the filter like this, and here it will ask to select the label, to select the filter type, and put a value here. So guys, here you can see I have selected this subject label from the previous step. How you can do that? You just have to click here like this, and it will show you. Let me show you from here. You just have to click here and it will show you the previous step or the trigger step in the drop down like this. And when you click here, it will show you all the data that you have received in the trigger. So from here you have to select the subject label like this. Okay, so I have selected the subject label like this. Okay, and I have selected the filter type contains, and I have put the value here as report. Okay, so this means whenever my subject of the email contains this word, this report word, this means we have received the report from the employee. So you can also receive many reports as well. So let me type here employee report, so it will be more clear and specific. So I have now put employee report. So whenever in the subject I received these two words, employee report, then only I want that the notification message or the work summary will be sent to me or to the boss of the employee. Okay, so After that, I have clicked on save and send test request button to check if this condition is true. And here you can see in the message, it is showing the condition is true. So whenever this condition matches true, then only the workflow is going to continue. And after that, we have used text formatter feature by Pabbly in the action step. So I have clicked on this plus icon to add more action steps here. So you can see you just have to click here and action steps will appear like this. Okay. So when this action step appear, you can search for text formatter feature and it will appear like this and you can select it. And in this text formatter, it is I have selected the action event as text parser. So we have many options here in text formatter. I have used text parser feature. With the help of text parser, you can parse out some details from the whole text, from the whole paragraphs. Okay. And here when you select text parser, you have to click on connect and these fields will appear. Let me show you how. Select text parser. Here it is. Click on connect and these fields will appear. The text field and the text match after word and text match before word. So with the help of text parser, what we can do, we can fetch out some details between two words and you have to place those words here in this field, in those fields. The after word, this means after which word you want to fetch the data and before which word you want to fetch the data. So what I have done here, I have mapped this body text label from the previous step, from the trigger step. This body text label I have mapped here. Okay, like this. And to do that, you just have to click here and from this trigger step, map the body text label like this. Okay. Similarly, I have mapped it here. And here I have received the whole email. And here in the first text in this text parser step, I want to fetch out the number of tasks the employee has been assigned. So for that, you can read here. It has written, this is to inform you that today I have assigned with 3 tasks. So I want to fetch out this number 3. Okay. And this number 3 is after with word and before tasks word. Okay. So after word is with. Okay. And before text match before word is tasks. Okay. So I have entered it here and then I have clicked on save and send test request. Let me show you. This is how. And it will show up the result label like this and here you will find the number. This is the number of tasks. Okay. So first text formatter gave you the number of tasks assigned to the employee. Now after that I have cloned this same step. So because I want to fetch out some other details as well. So I have clicked on this clone step button and I have cloned it like this. Okay. And here guys, I have changed the text match after and before word because now I wanted to fetch out the details of the task my employee has completed. So you can read here, these are the tasks my employee has been assigned and here you can read number of tasks completed are 3. So I have write the text match after word as completed and colon and the before word is pending. Okay. So the 3 got fetched out in the result. Let me show you. Click on save and send test request. And here we got the result as 3. Okay, so this will give you the number of tasks got completed. Okay. Then I have cloned this step again by clicking on the clone button. And another text formatter will appear with text parser. And I have mapped the body text label again. And here I have fetched out the name of the employee. So you can read here. You can actually read in the email, it will be more clear to you. Here you can see in the last, after thanks and regards, the employee has put the name of himself. Okay. This is the name, dummy employee. So to fetch this name, I have used the same process and here I want to fetch the data after this regards word and before this full stop. Okay. So I have put regards here and full stop here. And in this result, we got the employee's name. Okay. So we got the whole details. After that, I have clicked on the plus icon and to send a message on WhatsApp, we have used WhatsApp Cloud API feature here. So guys, before using Cloud API feature, you need to first set up your Cloud API number. That means you have to connect your number with the Cloud API platform first. And for that we have created a separate dedicated video, so you can watch that video from the description and you can learn how you can use the cloud API platform of WhatsApp. After that you can use the feature here. You just have to add an action step like this, and you have to search for WhatsApp cloud API and it will appear here like this. Okay, after that you have to select the action event as, let me show you, send template message. Okay, so select send template message. After that click on connect. Let me show you from here. Click on connect and this window will appear. From here, if you are making the connection for the very first time, you have to select add new connection option. So here it is asking for the access token of cloud API, the phone number ID and the business account ID details. So guys, if you want to know more about these things and about the cloud API setup, you can just click here on this here word from this text and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly Connect. And guys, here you can see we have these videos. The first video is for setting up the cloud API inside Pabbly Connect, and the second video is for generating the permanent access token of cloud API. And then we have written instructions along with screenshots to provide you information about the cloud API setup inside Pabbly Connect. So you can learn these things from here and follow these instructions. Okay. And for these details, guys, I can show you my cloud API setup, which is here. You can see I am under Meta for Developers page and I have created an app here, which is here, and I'm under WhatsApp's getting started page. Under this page, you can see we have this temporary access token. So they gave you temporary tokens, but these tokens expires in 24 hours. So you need to generate a permanent one to run your workflows continuously, to use your workflows continuously. Okay, so to generate the permanent token, you can watch the video from the description or from this forum page. Here we have the video on generating the permanent access token. You can watch it, learn it and generate the token. After that you have to paste the token here in this field. Okay, and for similarly from the phone number ID, you can visit the same page and here is the phone number ID. You can copy it, paste it here, and the business account ID is also here. Copy that, paste it here like this. Okay, and after pasting all the things, you have to click on save and you will be connected with the cloud API setup. And this connection that you're making here is going to be saved in your account. So if you want to make the connection again with cloud API, you can use your saved connection as well. And for that, from here, from this window only, if you want to use your saved connections, you have to choose this existing connection option and it will show you the list of all the saved connections that you have from here. And from here you can choose any of your saved connections. Okay, so let me select an old connection. I am selecting this one. Okay, and now you just have to click on save and you will be connected with the cloud API setup. You can see we are connected. And then it will ask for the templates name or message templates name. So guys, message templates are pre-created message structures that you need to create first in the cloud API setup, and with the help of those templates you can send messages to multiple people at once. Okay, and guys, if you want to know how to generate the templates, how to create the templates, you can watch the video from the description. There we have explained everything about the templates creation. Let me show you the template I am using for this purpose. So this is my message template section of cloud API, and this is the template I have created named as employee report to send the report summary to the HR of the employee or the boss of the employee. Okay, and here you can see when I'm going to use this template for sending the summary, the message is going to appear like this. Here it will show us the employee name, employee email, number of tasks completed, number of tasks assigned. Okay, and here you can see I have this 1 in double curly braces, 2, 3 and 4. So these are called the body fields or the variables we have in our message template, and you have to place these variables in proper places because these are the things which are going to change with every new message. The details of the employee and the report summary is going to change with every new report. Okay, so to get these things changed, you need to place the body fields here, And after that you have to connect the template here, select the template here from this template name field. So I have selected the template. After that the language code and the template ID will be auto populated, no need to do anything. And then it will ask for the recipient's mobile number. So guys, here you have to put the WhatsApp number of the HR or to whom you want to send the work summary reports. Okay, and you have to place this number in this format with the country code and without any plus sign. So 91 is for India, you have to place your country code. Okay, then guys, I have mapped these details. You can see after selecting the template, these body fields will appear like this. Okay, body field 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the same fields that we have here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So to get the data of the body fields changed dynamically with every new message, you need to map the values of body fields here inside the workflow. Okay, so to map these details, you just have to click here and the previous steps will appear like this. So in the first body field, you can see first body field is for the employee name. So to map the employee name, guys, we are going to use the text formatter steps by which we have fetched out the details of the employee from the email. So you can see from this third text formatter we have received the result in which we got the employee name. So you can map the result by clicking on it like this. Okay, here it is asking for the employee's email address. Okay, and you will find the employee's email directly from the first step or the trigger step. From here you can see the address from which you have received the email, so you can map it from here. And in the third body field, let's see, third body field is for the number of tasks completed. So you will find this from the third step. Okay, fourth step actually, text formatter. You can map the result label like this. And in the fourth body field, number of tasks assigned. So you'll get the assigned task. Just click here, and from this third text formatter step, you will find the assigned tasks. Okay, and after mapping all the details, you have to click on save and send test request button, and a test message will be delivered to this WhatsApp number. Okay, so let me show you how the message is going to look like. Here I am going to put my WhatsApp number just to show you the demo. Okay, then I'll click on save and send test request, and you will see a new WhatsApp message on my WhatsApp account right here. Okay, so guys, I have clicked on save and send test request, and here you can see we have received a new message. There's a new message on my WhatsApp, and let's check what is in the message. This is the message. You can see daily report summary, employee name is dummy employee, this is the email address, number of tasks completed 3, assigned task 3. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up the automation now, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything in this workflow. After that, as and when you are going to receive the emails or the reports from your employees at the end of the day, you will receive these kinds of WhatsApp messages automatically, and you can see the work reports, work summary reports automatically from your WhatsApp only. Okay, and the workflow is going to run in the background. So guys, if you want to use this workflow, you can use it, and you can customize this workflow as well according to the structure of your reports. Okay, and by using these features, you can set up this workflow for you. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.